How to reclaim a transfer in Simplii. Log into your Simplii account on the official website or app. Navigate to the transfers or transfer history section. Locate the specific transfer you want to reclaim or reverse. Click on the transfer to view its detailed information. Find the option labeled cancel transfer or reclaim transfer. Confirm the cancellation of the selected transfer. Verify your identity through security questions or any other authentication methods. Wait for a confirmation message indicating the transfer has been cancelled. Check your account balance to ensure the funds are returned. Review the transfer history to confirm the status is updated. Hope you understood the entire topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.